Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some 10mm scale Epic 40K Warhammer 40,000 Space Marines. These, as I said, were printed in 10mm scale, 3D printed. This little base here is 6mm. This is the true Epic 40K size. So that kind of gives you an idea of how much bigger 10mm models are. We'll start with the commander here. I like the look of 3 to a base. These were printed on both my Anycubic Photon Zero and Sonic Frozen Mini. Chaplain. Just a real quick look at an alternative scale. That 3D printing can afford you. I showed you the 6mm. Also, here's some 15mm. Size comparison. Whereas these are true scale to 10, this is actually 15. There'll be another video on that. Go ahead and bring up the Land Raider. Speeder. Oh, excuse me. This was 3D printed on an Ender 3. You can see the FDM with the FDM side here where the support removal was at. This was a resin print. A Rhino. Another resin print. Oops. Comment down below and tell me what your thoughts are on these. Have you tried Warhammer Epic 40,000? Epic 40K? Which I believe at one time started out as a game called Space Marine, then evolved into Epic 40K, and then by the time I got into Warhammer it was called Epic Armageddon. And that wasn't out very long before it went away. Now this land speeder is a resin print. You can see some of the detail difference there. And also note the size difference between the two. There's another issue on making sure your files match up. Sometimes the different designers do things differently. So there we have it. Just a quick look at some 10mm scale Space Marines for Epic 40K. I'll have some more to show you later in a future video. Again, here's some 6mm. I'll show you some of those that I'm working on, and the 15mm guys. I'm actually pretty excited about this 15mm scale. I may possibly switch over to that, I don't know, for some of my bigger battles. I'll also attempt to do 3mm. Some printing, but also a lot of it supplemented by models from a company called PicoArmor up in Illinois. Great customer service from the guys. I'll put a link down to their webpage below. They have some great 3mm sci-fi models, and of course 3mm affords you just massive armies. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you can, please drop me a simple like down below. It's free, don't cost nothing. And if you want, subscribe for more plastic soldiers. Comment down below, I read each and every comment. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.